Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing another Cooking with Ky'lnn video, making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, as you can see. And why?
So you can't see what's in there.
It's not even turned to the
refrigerator. Just restart.
No, I'm not restarting. I'm going to pause it.
You just paused it just now?
I'm going to pause it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, guys, take two. Okay, guys, so I'm on my hoverboard, as you guys can see. I don't think you can see, but I'm on my hoverboard, though. Because, I don't want to stand on my feet. So, today, we are going to be making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich at Cooking with Ky'lnn. Cooking with Ky'lnn. Cooking with Ky'lnn. Okay? So, we already got all the stuff out. All we need is a butter knife, which we don't have. So, I'm just going to get something. Just something, like a spoon. Give me a spoon or something. All we have is forks. Wow. Wow, I can't even make... Mommy, I can't make myself a peanut butter. I looked in there. There are no,
There's also plastic spoons in that drawer in the air.
Oh. Sorry, guys. Ooh, it's a plastic knife. I'll use it. Okay, guys. So we got the plastic knife, and now we're just gonna get the bread out. Dang, it's already been 2 minutes. Jeez, I wasted my time. I'm just gonna make myself one because I'm not really that hungry because I just ate a Mickey Mouse ice cream and some waffles. So I'm gonna peel these off, the edges off, because the edges are nasty. I don't like edges. I don't like edges. I never ate edges before, unless if they were soft, like those pizzas, those microwave pizzas. Instead of those, I would normally eat those if they were soft. But if it's not soft, no ma'am, I'm not eating it. It's nasty. Okay, so we're gonna spread the peanut butter on there first. This Cooking with Ky'lnn video is overrated. I'm joking. I need more peanut butter. I should have added more, bro. It's not enough. We're gonna add more. Come on. I don't like this plastic knife. It's not giving me more peanut butter. It's not giving me more peanut butters. Yummers. What is it? Oh my god, bro. This plastic knife is making me mad. I'm not really good at spreading things, you know, like what I'm doing now, like peanut butter. Because, like, it's hard. Like, when you're holding it, it's like gets all over your fingers and stuff. I don't like that. This is going to take me a long time. $20,000 years later. Okay, so you guys, we just finished spreading the peanut butter. Now we're gonna spread jelly. I don't like when it's all over my hands. Okay. start laughing. I'm a good chef because I help my mom cook the eggs. As you guys saw on my shorts, you know the one that was like, let me give y'all something. Like it's because he hit you, huh? Nope. And that was what I did with my mom. So if you guys don't remember, I think you guys used to watch her, you know, like the Trip to Purpose Land video. So, okay, guys. Hey, Naya. I'm doing another cooking with Ky'lnn video to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. We're gonna put it on a plate now. Sorry. But we got this all together. You'll see. Look at that peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I know y'all will eat this. So subscribe if y'all will eat this, or like if y'all will eat this. Because I would. Well, because I made it. So y'all, let's clean up. Okay guys, so if y'all like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. Bye, Kiki World.